Hello, welcome to the Las Positas Gardens Townhome Community. This is a beautiful neighborhood. It has got a nice big front yard, I would say, which can be yours along with others. But if you like to sit outside, enjoy the greenery, sit under the trees, this is the place today. Okay, so you are going to really enjoy what I'm about to show you. Okay, so this is the house we are about to enter. And my name is Amit Inamdar. I'm with Own Sweet Home Realty, and welcome. Come on in. Okay, here are the rules posted for the property that you must abide by. Make sure you follow all the rules. You must already sign the PEAD form that we call it for the coronavirus advisory. So let's be safe and let's make everything safe and sound for everyone. We are about to enter the property. This is nice, beautiful, airy living room. All right, you have a really great laminated flooring that was just recently installed. Dual pane windows. You can actually see the outside. That's where you're just outside just now. And as you see, we have brand new recessed lighting on this side. Of course, the house does have the central heating and air conditioning, and the best part is the homeowner association dues are extremely low. They are like $292 per month, and they actually include water. So this is like a beautiful dining area. You can actually put a nice dining table here and enjoy the culinary skills that you guys have while being with your friends, family, or by yourself sometimes. Come on in. The kitchen has this extended eating counter. I mean, typically when you have this sliding door, you cannot quite have that. Right? The sailors have done a really good job thinking that they should have some eating kitchen. So a couple of chairs on this side. You'll be able to enjoy this on brand new granite countertop. You've got recessed lighting. The appliances, as you see, are like 2 years old. Back row is a little bit older. But again, I mean, you have all these signs sitting there. You can read those. The kitchen sink is brand new. The granite countertop I told you about. And the beautiful thing is you also have the washer and dryer right here. So you don't have to go outside of the house to wash your clothes. Okay, so this is a very nice feature. The kitchen has a lot of drawers. You can store a lot of things. Cabinets are up there. You can look at those. Beautiful LG refrigerator. Okay, we got a nice storage on this side. You can hang some kitchen towels and stuff here if required. And now you have a beautifully remodeled bathroom. You got double mirrors in there, pedestal sink, and that's your half bath for any guest who come in and for you to use. Patio. Imagine living in a townhouse with a backyard, like a backyard patio. It's like a treat for you, I would say. Okay. You have a good sized backyard. You can easily fit a swing, a grill for barbecue and things like that. Additionally, you also see on that side the air conditioning unit. If you have extra things that you need to store, you have a backyard storage, and that's what it looks like. And as you see up there are some extra planks for the flooring and extra paint in case you want to do any touch-ups. So that's all is in here. Now another thing is, I understand it does not have an attached garage, but your carports are just outside of this door. So open this, and the two places you see right there are the two carports. So you are going to be really convenienced by just having this car parking just outside of your backyard. Okay, so come on in, come to the backyard after you park the car. Okay, and once you enter it, we are of course going to close the double door behind us, and we are going to check the upstairs. Okay. Okay, let's go to the upstairs. There are beautiful 3 bedrooms upstairs with a bathroom, and we are going to take a look at those as we move up. But before that, you want to actually take a look at this coat closet. So there is a beautiful staircase to the upstairs, and you see the light for the hallway. And I'm up here, beautiful landing space at this side. And let's kind of enter the master bedroom. Okay, that's like one of the attractions everybody has. So enter this master bedroom. You got this beautiful views of the community with the trees and everything. Can you see those trees? Yes, absolutely. All right. And you got the beautiful mirrored closets on this side. And one of the good part about this house I like is the closets are all customized. So you don't have to worry about where to put things. You got the nice drawers, you got the compartments, you got the hanging area, you know, for clothes. And on this side, if you are like long dresses or stuff, you can also put it in there. It's also, all these shelves are movable up and down, so it's all customizable to your needs. We also have a smoke detector up here. And one of the things that I really like about this is every room has a switch on center light, okay? So you don't have to have those standing lamps that typically most of these places have. The sailors have done a super job in making sure the comfort is your priority. Now let's come into the bedroom in the front. Again, I would like to show you the view of the community. Once you are inside here, and that's where we were in the beginning. The place also has mirrored closets, like you see up here. Okay. So these are bedroom number 3, and again, light and bright, beautiful bedroom here. Also has a switch on lights. You can get the view of the outside right now. The lights that I told you about, these are switch on lights up and down, and the mirrored closet. And behind that, again a surprise, you see all these custom closets, okay, on both sides. So I'm sure you're definitely going to enjoy this place with a lot of space, a lot of wall space to have a lot of creative things that you could do here. We have a furnace and water heater on this side. All right. And I believe this is going to be your coat closet. Oh no, this is actually the other side of the furnace. You saw it on that side, sorry. All right. And then you actually have your linen closet. So any extra bedding, pillows, things that you have, you can keep it here. And not to forget, this is your bathroom for upstairs. There's a nice tub. I'm going to step out so we can see it nicely in the video. It has got a nice window next to the shower. Also the soap and shampoo holder built in. We have recessed lighting and lights over the mirror. So really beautiful, very spacious bathroom upstairs. I hope you enjoyed the tour of the house. Actually, I would like to highlight a few things. When I asked my seller what were his bragging rights when he bought this home, and he wrote this huge beautiful letter, and it has got a lot of information how his kids enjoyed this particular neighborhood, how they played outside, how the Fairlands Park Elementary is so close by that kids could actually walk to school by themselves. The park is very close by, all the amenities are close by. So if you are like playing like tennis, volleyball, other things, the pitch courts are right nearby here. There are around 30 miles of trails, bike trails and mountain trails that kind of start right from this particular community and go around almost like 20 to 30 miles. So you could actually enjoy that on the weekends. What else? I mean, central location, the 580, 680 is like really close by. You don't hear the noise, but it's convenient to have access to the freeways. when you start going to work is going to be really, really helpful. Meantime, you're just going to enjoy those 3 big bedrooms in these COVID days because they are very spacious, and work from home is going to be your dream come true in this particular townhouse. Thank you.